Hello friend, I am Alex as a technical advisor. Today I am just hearing a new topic, hard disk partition. So before starting I have to load my server. Okay, so I check IP address here. Just hold on 1 minute, I will restart the new section. Just wait. Check the network connection. Oh, it's working. Just wait, hold on 1 minute. Okay, so this is the username root and the password here. Okay, so before starting I have checked my hard disk status. So df-h command, and this partition is mounted on the slash with this 27 GB, and also check fdisk-l command. So is another hard disk 53 GB, and two partitions make with LVM ID SB1 SB2. So now go to the next step. So in this tutorial we have to learn how we can create LVM. LVM stands for logical volume management. So before there is a three step. First of all I have to create PV physical volume. After that I have create VG, this stand for volume group. So the partition which is added in physical volume, which are synchronized added in volume group, and in last step LV logical volume. That's mean the space and the partition which are synchronized in volume group, that's create a logical volume according to your size. That means you can resize and extend and reduce according to your need. So before starting I have to create PV create. Okay, and give the PV name PV1, and this is the dev SDB1. Okay, so this is successfully create PV1 physical volume. So I have create another one PV2 dev SDB2. Okay, so I have checked this is what the status PV display. So this is the one physical volume, and otherwise is this physical volume. The first one space is 20 GB and second one is 30 GB. So the next part is to create a volume group and also add the two hard disk sector like SDB1 and SDB2 on volume group. So I create a volume group VG create, and I have give the name of the VG1, sorry, VG1, and the space which are include here. Just wait. If I ignore this thing and also add this thing STB and dev STB1, so which is created, and the two disk space like dev SDB1 and SDB1 B2 also added in volume group. If I check the volume group status VG display, then I have checked VG is my volume group name, and the space which encounter here 49.99 GB. That's mean 4 MB partition is what the space here, and 4 MB is the physical partition size which are given here. So I go to again here, and this is my default system, the partition which are mounted on slash, and this is the other one which I have treated here. This is the format LVM2, and the next format I have to create logical volume by the using the volume group. So this is the command LV create. Now give the name of the volume group. So I give LVM1, and this is the space. So just wait, hold on. So I now I give the space where, so I give the 45